Unraveling the Maze of Emotions, a guide to understanding complex feelings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, maze of emotions. This phrase paints a vivid picture of our internal emotional landscape, and understanding it can enrich both your English language skills and emotional awareness. So, let's embark on this journey together. First, let's dissect maze of emotions. A maze is a complex network of paths or passages, often designed as a puzzle. It's a place where it's easy to get lost. When we apply this to emotions, it suggests a complex and confusing array of feelings. It's not just about being sad or happy. It's about experiencing a mix of emotions that are hard to navigate, just like a maze. This phrase is particularly useful in situations where emotions are intense, mixed, or confusing. For instance, when talking about a complicated personal experience or describing a character in a story who's going through a lot emotionally. It adds depth to conversations about mental health, relationships, or any scenario where feelings aren't straightforward. Let's see some examples. 1. After hearing the news, she wandered through a maze of emotions, feeling both relieved and anxious. 2. His mind was a maze of emotions. Joy, fear, excitement, and doubt all at once. These examples show how the phrase can capture the complexity of what someone is feeling. It's also helpful to know similar phrases or synonyms like emotional roller coaster, tangled feelings, emotional whirlwind. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Understanding and using the phrase, maze of emotions, adds richness to your English vocabulary and helps in articulating complex emotional states. We hope this video helps you navigate not just the language, but also the intricate world of emotions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.